Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a corrupted TurboTax file. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing you can do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar simply type in TurboTax. Now once the app loads, tap on the app and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then tap on your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, here what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is here scroll down until you find the TurboTax app, and once you find it, simply tap on that. And once you tap on it, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you're facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.